Buongiorno, sono Nicola da Elettrolaser in Italia. Hi, I'm Nicola from Elettrolaser in Italy. And I'm beautiful, so whatever you want. I joined Elettrolaser 5 years ago. I started in a production line, and then after a couple of years I started my journey as a technician. In Elettrolaser I'm technical, for technical service. I will help customers if they need, and I do like training course for customers who bought our machine. Wow, my favorite part of course is like traveling. I like travel. It's one of the things that I like the most about my job, and the fact that I'm constantly in touch with the customers. I love talking to them and meet new people. I mean, you should buy from Elettrolaser and Freeform basically because our products are really good. I mean, we have like lots of positive replies from our customer. We are constantly upgrading our machines to let them work as best as they can.